Hi! In front of me is Oppo A53s, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find clock, tap on it and select alarm at the top left corner if it's not already on. Then tap on this plus icon at the top right corner and set up an hour. When you're ready, choose ring once or custom. I will go with custom, tap on repeat and select days of the week. I will go with Wednesdays and Fridays. Go back, tap on more over here, choose alarm name, label your alarm however you wish to, and go back by tapping on by clicking on this blue icon at the bottom right corner of your keyboard. Then click on the switches next to vibrate and snooze to enable or disable those features and tap on ringtone. Now tap on don't ask again and just allow. Then you can set up one of those melodies as your alarm sound by tapping on the best one for you and going back. You can also choose ringtone, tap on select from files and tap on the song from your device. Like that one, go back and go back one more time. When you're ready, just save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. You can also get rid of it by holding it, clicking on delete at the bottom and confirming your choice over here. If you wish to adjust even more alarm settings, you can do that by clicking on those two dots at the top right corner, selecting settings and customizing them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!